Hey there, future GRE crushers. Today I'm diving into a word that can really give your vocabulary a boost. Aggrandize. Not only is it a great word to know for the GRE, but it's also just one of those words that can make you sound super smart in everyday conversation. So what does aggrandize mean? In simple terms, it means to increase the power, status, or wealth of someone or something. For example, if you say she worked hard to aggrandize her family's reputation, it means she did things to make her family seem more important or powerful. Pretty cool, right? Now let's talk about how to use aggrandize in a sentence. You might say, the CEO's efforts to aggrandize the company's success were evident in their marketing campaign. Or politicians often aggrandize their achievements during election campaigns. Notice how the word fits naturally into these contexts. All right, now let's get into why knowing words like aggrandize is crucial for the GRE. The GRE tests your verbal reasoning and analytical writing skills, and having a robust vocabulary can significantly impact your score. Words like aggrandize appear in the text completion, sentence equivalents, and reading comprehension sections. Understanding and using these words correctly can help you make more precise arguments and understand complex texts better. Moreover, a strong vocabulary isn't just about memorizing definitions, but it's about understanding nuances and being able to use words in the right context. Practicing with words like aggrandize can help you develop this skill. Now, let's talk strategy. To really nail the vocabulary section, make flashcards with new words you encounter, including aggrandize. Write the definition on one side and a sentence using the word on the other. Review these regularly and challenge yourself to use these words in your daily conversations or writing. Another tip is to read widely and frequently. The more you expose yourself to high-level text, the more likely you are to encounter GRE-level vocabulary in context. This not only helps you remember the words, but also understand how they're used naturally. And remember, practice makes perfect. Use online resources, GRE prep books, and vocabulary apps to keep expanding your word bank. The more you practice, the more confident you'll become in your ability to tackle those tough GRE questions. So there you have it. Aggrandize and why it's a golden ticket to boosting your GRE score. Start using this word today and keep building that vocabulary. You've got this. Until next time, keep studying and stay motivated. Catch you later.